Okay, I'm having this spare the night, and so Mom told me I want to buy it. Then her getting more money first, but I like it then. This is cool, but is it doing something about this thing, okay guys? And this is ours. Alright guys, goodbye.